The opioid addiction crisis in the United States is a huge problem, and the number of deaths have gone up dramatically over the last 15 to 20 years. Now, a lot of Americans make a bad decision to end up as an opioid addict, but a lot of Americans don't. And I do believe that overprescribing of opioid medications has helped increase the amount of deaths related to opioid overdose in the United States. So I want to show you a little graph of what I mean. Now, according to the National Institutes of Health, in the first year of this study was 2002. The last year the data was available was 2015. So according to their study, in 2002, 180 milligrams per capita of opioid was prescribed for Americans. What that means is, on average, each American got 180 milligrams of opioid. Now, that number increased to a peak of 782 milligrams in the year 2010 and has decreased slightly to about 640 milligrams in 2015. So this, from 2002 to 2010, is almost a 4.5-fold increase in prescription of drugs. So now if we go back to the number of deaths reported in the study in 2002, there were 11,000 opioid-related overdose deaths in the United States in 2002. But I'd also want to show you that there were 3,500 overdoses from what are called synthetic opioids, specifically fentanyl and carfentanil, very potent derivatives of opioid drugs that are on the streets. Now, if we advance to 2015, again the last year of the study, the number of opioid deaths in the United States has risen to approximately 35,000. A little more than a 3-fold increase since 2002. But even more concerning is the number of synthetic opioid deaths, which numbers approximately 19,000, which you can see is almost 6 times as many as in 2002. So again, many of us make a bad mistake. Many Americans go down the wrong path to become opioid addicts. But I truly believe that overprescription of opioid medications is a large part of what has driven this national emergency. I believe it should be declared a national emergency. It's a medical problem that should be treated with medical solutions.